Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's an unboxing video, and it's basically everything that I had purchased from Amazon and BH Cosmetics. So if you want to see everything that I had purchased, then continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I ain't playing with you.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the stuff that I got from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so BH Cosmetics is a makeup company, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I got from them. The first thing that I got is this. It's my Ray Ray collection. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's my Ray Ray collection, and she came out with some brushes, and she came out with a palette. So this right here is the brush package, and it comes with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 brushes in total. And this is what it's looking like. Very cute. I love the color, first off. So let me see if I can open this. Okay, so it's just 9 face brushes. I think there's a couple. Yeah, this is like a blending brush, you know, for your crease. This is another powder brush. You can use this to contour. This is another powder brush. You can also use it for your face powder. Another blending brush for the eye. Another eyeshadow brush. I'll use this for powder, and then I'll use this one for powder as well. And then these 2 small ones you can also use for your eye. So 9 basic. The other thing that I got, so this is her palette. Remember, I was telling you guys that she came out with a palette and some brushes. I just showed you the brushes. So this is the packaging, and it's super cute. You slide it out like that. Super cute. It's my Ray. Can you guys see it? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how it looks. And it's so beautiful. Of course, you know it's my Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics. And this is the palette. So pretty. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So beautiful. Definitely gonna love that. And I also got another palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So the first Brazil palette that they came out with, I didn't get it, and I just thought that it was really good. I don't know why I didn't get it, but I missed out. So it says Take Me Back to Brazil. So this is how it looks. So pretty, so creative. And I love how they have like the carnival theme, or the carnival picture going on here, because these colors are definitely bomb for carnival. They're so bright, so pigmented. Oh my god. Let me show you guys. So this is the palette, you guys. Look. Oh my god. This is to die for. Like, them come out. BH Cosmetics, them come out with the palette, yeah. No, sir. I love this so much. So you have, this is, so this palette is mainly cool tone colors, like the blues, the purples, the greens. I don't think there's any warm neutral color in here. You might find one, but it is mostly cool colors, and it is so colorful, so pretty. Can you guys see that? So that's what I got from BH Cosmetics. I got the It's My Ray Ray collection with the eyeshadow and the brushes, and I got me the Take Me to Brazil palette. So with the It's My Ray Ray palette, they also send you a free gift, and this is a lip gloss. I think it comes with, I think, every purchase of the palette, like the collection that she did. They give you a lip gloss gloss as a gift. So this is how it looks. I think this is like a neutral color, like a nudish. Yeah, this is definitely on the nude side. So this is the color. This is the color right here, you guys. So they give you this as a gift with every It's My Ray Ray purchase. Like the collection, if you purchase the collection, they give you a gift. And this is the gift, a lip gloss. So super cute. So now we're moving on to Amazon. This is 2 boxes from Amazon. So the first box that I got from Amazon, I got this wig head. So the name of it is Canvas Blockhead. So I got this specifically for wigs, because this is what you use to make wigs, and I really want to learn how to make wigs. I really think that you know, it's easy once you get the hang of it, you know. So I really want to start like investing in wigs and making wigs of my own. So I bought this along with some other stuff just so I can get started, because I have the foam one, but with the foam one, you know, it can't withstand heat. So as soon as your flat iron or your curling iron touches it, it melts or it gets out of shape or something like that. So I got this one, and this is very, very sturdy. I think this is gonna last a really, really long time. And like I said, you can't cut it, you can't burn it, you can't do anything with it because it's cloth. So it's not like the foam one where, you know, that's plastic. So anything, any heat catch that, you know, it's not gonna melt. So I got this. And then I also got this for wigs as well. So this is basically the elastic band that they would put like at the back of your wigs to like secure it. So if you want it tight, you basically would sew on the elastic band. You don't have to do it, but if you want it tight and if you want it secure, like once you sew this onto the back of your wigs, like you don't have to glue down your wigs, or you know, you don't have to like spray it down with the got-to-be glue. You can just sew this on at the back of your wig and you can just put your wig on and go. If you want it tight, this is a really good choice. Just black like elastic band, simple, you know, basic. I don't think I need to take it out of the bag. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. But for those who don't know, let me just take it out of the bag and show you guys. This is how it looks. Just a regular, you know, it's elastic band. So yeah. And then the next thing I got for wigs is of course the pins for the mannequin head or the block head. These are the pins, and like I said, these are better because once you stick them in, your hair or your wig ain't going nowhere. So this is really good, and I got 2 packs. I think it's 1 pack has 30 in them, so I'm just gonna open it and show you guys more. So this is what the pin looks like. If you guys can see that, this is what the pin looks like. And like I said, this is all for the wigs that I'll be making because I really want to step my wig game up. And then I also got this for my wig. This is the last thing that I got for wigs. So this is basically the stand, like the wig stand. This is what I'll be using when I'm making my wigs. This is basically for the mannequin head or the block head. This is the stand for that. Simple, you know, like you have, this is something, you know, if you know what a tripod is, then you know what a wig stand is. I don't know how else to explain it. But basically, this is how it comes. Like I said, it's a wig stand. So you pull it up, of course, and there's, you know, there's a bunch of pieces that it comes with, and then the block head would go on top of here. So this is also for my wig. And then I also got this from Amazon. This is the Mario Badescu skin spray, the rose water skin spray. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. If you do makeup, I'm sure you have. And you can also get this in Sephora, I think. So this is basically just to spray your face if you know you have too much powder on and you don't want your face to look cakey, you know, you want that dewy glow. This is for that. So last but not least, I got these Real Techniques makeup sponges. Yeah. You can never have too many sponges, and I think the ones that I have now, they're staying, and you know, them oily and them look dirty even when them clean, even after you wash them, because you know makeup stain. So I just got some new sponges. That's my little haul, you guys. That's my little unboxing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying not to do just makeup and fashion. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything on my channel, so I'll be doing more unboxing. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for always supporting me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.